Hi, my name is Bryana. I'm a field executive in Phoenix, Arizona, and today I'm gonna show you how to get this quick holiday eye in just a few minutes flat with 3 simple steps. Let's get started. So the first thing I'm gonna do is start with applying MAC false eyelashes. Now the reason I like to add lashes first is because it gives you an instant dramatic effect that you can easily add just a few products to get a beautiful holiday eye. So the first thing I'm gonna do is take my false lash and simply apply it to my lash line. I've already started with a little bit of mascara. Boom, look at the difference already. I'm already getting a little bit of drama on this side. My next step is to add a little bit of powder shadow. I'm gonna be using our Powder Kiss shadow in the shade Ripened. I would recommend a shade that's a medium to deep shade so that you get a nice, rich, dramatic holiday look. I'm gonna be taking our MAC 224 blending brush, and my trick is to take a little bit of powder and press it into the lid of the eyeshadow. That way you don't get any fallout on your false lashes. Start in the center and blend outward so you get a nice, beautiful, soft blend. My next trick is to take the same brush and give her a little push so that you can pick up some shadow and use that smaller tip of the brush to get detail work underneath the eye. That will wrap the shadow all the way around, giving you that nice festive glow. Now that we have our first shadow on, the next thing we're gonna do is add a little bit of sparkle. I love Dazzle shadow liquids because they're so easy to use. It's a little bit of glitter suspended in a liquid right on a doe foot applicator. So all you have to do is just tap it onto your eye to get a beautiful glimmering holiday look. You don't have to worry about any fallout or glitter everywhere. It gets exactly where it needs to go. So I'm gonna put a little on the center of my eyelid and some on the inside corner so I can get that beautiful holiday sparkle. Voila! And finally, I'm gonna go in and add a little bit of depth with our Dual Dare eyeliner from MAC. And one of the reasons I love this pencil is because it has 2 different liners on each side. The first one is a roll-up pencil that's waterproof, and the second is a felt tip pen so you can get a beautiful, fine look. We're gonna start with the roll-up pencil side and give ourselves a little bit of smoky liner underneath. Taking my 219 blending brush, I'm just gonna go in and give it a little smudge. Look at the difference that's already made. The last step is we're gonna go in with the pen side and give a little flick of liner for that little hit of a cat eye look. Finally, you're gonna go back in with your Powder Kiss eyeshadow and take a little bit on the tip of a brush and give yourself a little bit of a blending blur. And there you have it, a festive holiday eye, and we did it really easily. We started with our false lashes, then we went in for the eye shading with a little bit of Powder Kiss eyeshadow and a touch of Dazzle shadow liquid to give it a little bit of holiday sparkle, and we finished it off with our Dual Dare eyeliner pencil on the underside and then a little bit of flicked winged liner. And you will quickly have an eyeshadow that will take you into the holidays for the rest of the year. Hope you're all having a great day. Bye-bye.